If you have kids, pets, or frequent visits from burglars at home, then this budget-friendly Alaga 3K indoor security camera with horizontal and vertical rotation for full space control might be just what you need. This camera only requires an electrical outlet and wireless network coverage. Everything else is easy to set up. In this video, I'll unbox, set it up, and run a quick test. If you have any questions while watching the video, feel free to leave them in the comments below. But for now, let's get to work.